this is Shashank Kastibal, and moving forward with our sutras. Today we are going to look up into Sutra number 12 to Sutra number 19. In the last Sutra from 8 to 11 we saw that Duryodhan, the objective desires, were asking support from other evil tendencies for the ego, because if ego is dead, objective desires will lose the battle of self-realization. So in these sutras, when objective desires, that is Duryodhan, asks support from Guru Dron, evil habits, Kripacharya, Karn, that is rage, anger, jealousy, none of them support, because all these leaders, they deep down know when the fight is unfair, they are going to lose. So nobody supported the ego. So now Bhishma Pitama blew his conch shell. That is, the ego becomes restless when it does not get attention. This is what the sutra says, that ego, since it did not get attention from other evil tendencies, it became restless and it started making frightening sounds. Now what this means is, when the sadhak, that is the devotee, is in meditation, trying to focus, trying to get his attention away from negative thoughts, the ego starts getting frightened, and because of that it starts sending impulses by other negative thoughts that you're not doing this, you're not doing that, and it starts making the consciousness scared. So now what happens is that when the sadhak is in meditation and he's really getting frightened, suddenly he hears the conch shell of Krishna. Now from the opponent's side, since it's the beginning of the battle, Krishna blows his conch shell. Now when Krishna blew his conch shell, there is a melodic sound, which signifies here in our Essence of Gita that when the conscience, the voice of conscience is there, it is very melodic, and since the sadhak was getting restless because of the frightening sound of the ego, when the sadhak hears the voice of the conscience, he starts relaxing. So that's the idea of these sutras, where from Sutra 12 to 19, the sadhak is in meditation and he's trying to calm down the inner restlessness. So what you need to do, the assignment for you is basically meditate, meditate and meditate. And when we say meditate, we mean that close your eyes initially and look at your inner being. Who is the one who gets anxious? Who is the one who gets scared? Who is the one who wants to achieve? Who is the one who wants to prove? And that's a whole journey, that we want to find this one, which is our being, our consciousness, our chetna, our soul, the witness that is observing all the time. Yeah? And when you do that, you will definitely hear the restless sound of the ego, which will try to pull your attention towards the materialistic things, which are important. We will take care of materialistic things, but we won't run incessantly behind things which we don't need. We'll work for the need, but not for the greed. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed these sutras. So till then, meet you next time and have a great day ahead.